Hi, I'm Subby, the founder of Aikidas, and today we'll walk you through our platform. But before I do, I think it's important to mention that I spent almost 8 years in big law as a litigator and structuring deals. And the whole time I kept thinking, there has to be a smarter way to do our job. Well, I saw the writing on the wall with ChatGPT, and we tried all the new AI tools that were popping up, big and small, but they just kept missing the mark. It felt like nobody building them had actually even practiced law. So we did just that and developed a lawyer-first platform that actually works across practice areas and disciplines. And whether you're at a firm or in-house, our philosophy is simple. Start with the intake of a matter or project and end your day with real work product. And we've done a number of things in between to make your life a whole lot easier, such as integrated research, making your prompts better, and some of the things that we're releasing soon, like collaboration and editing your drafts right within the platform. And let's talk about security. Keeping it real simple. Your data is yours. We don't use it to train models or retain it within any AI. It's held within your own user profile and used ephemerally within our secure system. All of your chats and documents are end-to-end encrypted and hosted on SOC 2 and ISO infrastructure. If you delete a chat, it's gone for good. And we actually understand what privilege means. So we're aligning ourselves with every major ethics opinion that we can get our hands on. And for enterprise needs, we even have on-prem VPC or API solutions. The bottom line is, you get AI that thinks and works like a lawyer without giving up privilege, control, or trust. So let's dive right in. When you log in, you'll see the dashboard with a number of tools and options. You can also hit all tools to see what we've made available. Right now, we have out the library, the AI assistant, matters, and case law research. We'll go through all of these in just a bit, but you can also take a look at what's coming soon, such as team collaboration and our drafting assistant, which is a one-to-one word editor right within the platform. We also have integrations on the way, such as email and calendaring. Now, most of your day-to-day will be inside the AI assistant. It's important to note that our system is not practice area specific. So whether you're a litigation partner or in-house transactional counsel, it works across the board. Let's take a litigation matter as an example. I was mostly a litigator, so it's pretty easy for me to speak to this. But scrolling up over here, we've uploaded the complaint along with a number of supporting exhibits. And instead of asking for a summary, I just told the assistant, we represent the defense, draft a responsive pleading. What came out is a thorough draft, complete with citations and our exhibits as well, including statutes, regs, case law. Now, this is possible because we don't just start with AI. We first retrieve your documents and build a knowledge graph around them, capturing the logic of your matter. And then finally, we run it through the best AI models available for the job. We're completely model agnostic, meaning we're not just wrapping around in ChatGPT. And at the end of every output, you can open the audit log to see the reasoning behind how we actually got to your response. Just like asking a junior associate, how did you get there? You can also click Cite Check, which doesn't just verify the existence of a citation, it actually checks whether it applies to your matter in context. And with any one of these outputs, you can download them directly into Word, PDF, or copy. You can also edit your prompt or simply just retry it. And I know that not everyone loves prompt engineering. I mean, what even is that? So we've built tools to make prompting very easy for you. Now remember, you can treat our system exactly like a colleague. However, let's say you don't know where to start. Simply type in your initial query and then click Amplify. What Amplify does is it takes your prompts, the conversation history, and your documents and transforms it into an enhanced prompt. And we have our playbook, which includes a library of starter prompts with common workflows. You can also create your own prompts with your own workflows. Let's say you draft opinion letters or demand letters on a daily basis. You can include that prompt along with any template or drafts that you want the system to use. And with Prompt Architect, you can tell the system what you want to achieve, such as draft a certificate of dissolution. Let's also include the reference to Delaware law, and we'll include this as a sample, a certificate of dissolution from Delaware. Here, let's drag and drop that right in. And there we go. We can save this into our playbook or simply use it now. There are also a number of core productivity features, such as dictation, where you can talk directly to the platform, and transfer chats. If a chat is getting too long, it auto-summarizes it and moves the attachments to a fresh one. Now, we support up to 1,500 pages worth of context per chat, so you can do a lot within one Matter chat. You can even tag a chat with a client Matter number or project and pin a chat into your favorites. You can turn research mode on to tap into online primary and secondary legal resources. And deep research is the same thing, just taking a look at thousands more resources, providing with an even deeper answer. Let's take a look at an example of a research report. Here, we ran a normal research report, and we asked a question that pertained to the litigation. Clicking on the research report provides you a summary of everything that we took a look at, and on the right-hand side, we have the authorities from online legal resources. Scrolling further down, here we asked the same exact question, but we ran a deep research report. And we have a much larger summary, along with citations right over here. The platform pulled in the most up-to-date resources and tied them directly into the matter, no sifting through hundreds of different tabs. Going to our standalone research application. This is where you can run pure legal research, search for case law or general legal principles, and even filter by state or by court and jurisdiction. You can enter your questions in natural language, and then we generate a Boolean query for you. Now, if you're like me and didn't understand Boolean, our system does the heavy lifting for you, even providing recommendations, and you can regenerate all of that as well. And here, we can take a look at the actual opinions. Jumping into matters. Matters are your central source of truth inside the platform. Creating a new matter is simple. Give it a name, add your client project details, and set custom AI instructions. Now, using the Von Luger litigation that we were just in as an example, here we provided a base set of instructions, and we've also uploaded 6 documents, the complaint along with the supporting exhibits. Now, every conversation in this matter follows those instructions and pulls from the documents that we've enabled. Let's take a look at what exactly that means. Here we can see that we've enabled 6 documents right now, and you can enable up to 20 documents at a time. The reason why we have that limit is because we know that you're going to want to upload more documents into a chat, and you can upload as many as you want. The cool part is those documents go directly into your matter folder, and when you create a matter, that simultaneously also creates a folder within the library, which we'll show in just a second. Here we have the instructions already enabled. Going back into the matter, soon we're adding deadlines, notes, and much more to make your matters seamless. Taking a quick look at the library. Now, the library keeps all your documents organized and searchable. You'll see that we have folders just like you're used to, and you also have your matter-specific folders that are created automatically. Soon we're introducing document sharing and a number of collaboration features. Going back to the dashboard, that's the whole walkthrough. And just a heads up, the platform is evolving fast. So the next time you come back, there might even be some new modules available.